So therefore, when it comes to turnover din, Sir Janel, so kailan ba yung turnover ng mga units natin?
Well, we have the first batch inventory, which is target turnover natin will be around 2026, sir. Okay. Pero target ng management na mas earlier yung ma-turnover.
Kasi they've mentioned, mabilis lang din gawin, no? So basically, what we promise to our clients, madedeliver talaga on time yung mga units natin or mga houses na binili nila sa atin. Thank you so much, engineers, for sharing the technology behind our houses dito.
And of course, Sir Alan, kung meron pa silang question, pwede naman silang kumontak sa atin. Diba? We can send them the actual presentation kung ano yung technology yung ginamit dito.
Mga how much ba yung introductory price natin? And I believe we have promotion right now for the first 100 clients natin, di ba? We offer discounts, tama ba, sir?
Actually, sir, ang target natin within this March, yung first 100 buyers natin, makakakuha sila ng as much as 150,000 discount. Of course, for single detached. Sa naman natin, duplex natin, 75,000. And sa ating single attached is 100,000 discount. Okay? So, yung complete details, sir, para naman ma-excite sila. 30 sa makukuha nila. So, bigyan ko lang ng idea, sir, 10% down payment, may terms tayo for 24 months. So, around 11,000 lang, sir, meron na silang unit dito sa Palmeras.
Ganun ka-affordable yung mga units natin. And yun nga na, we're excited to share to you the detailed computation. So that's why you have to feel free to message us down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And yun nga, we're excited to bring you home dito sa Las Palmeras Residences. Again, thank you so much, Sir Janel and engineers, for being with us today. And yun nga, see you on our next house tour. Bye for now.